Hello everyone, my name is Hardik Raj Singh and today I am going to share you my COM project on Ackerman steering mechanism, a very important component in the world of automobile. This mechanism is named after its inventor George Landsberger, who changed the way vehicles steer. My project shows the principle and working of Ackerman steering mechanism. This mechanism shows the geometric arrangement of links which allows the front wheels of vehicles to turn at different angles. This design ensures that all vehicles follows the path that intersect at single point, optimizing the vehicle's turning radius and reducing the wear. Since its invention in 1818, the Ackerman steering has become a standard feature in most vehicles from race cars to bus and trucks. Future aspect of Ackerman steering mechanism could be steer-by-wire technology, which is an advanced steering system used in modern vehicles. Instead of using mechanical connection between steering wheels and the wheels, steer-by-wire systems are electronic sensors, actuators and control units to steer the vehicles. Now, let's go to see my project. So this is my project of Ackerman steering mechanism. It consists of 4 links, 4 joints, a lever and 2 tires. It also consists of a fixed links which is used to give support to tires and other links. The input can be given on the lever and output can be shown in the tires. This position is called right extreme and this position is called left extreme. So that was my working of the project. Now we will discuss about the key advantages of Ackerman steering mechanism. It improves the turning radius, reduces the tire wear, better handling, minimize tire slip and steering stability. Overall, Ackerman steering geometry is crucial for optimizing vehicle handling and tire performance. Thank you.